guys? It's Jay and welcome back. As I mentioned before, I put on my HKS blow-off valve and all that stuff, so I'm gonna get a couple sound clips of what that sounds like. I don't know why I haven't done one yet. I should have been done this. I think I just hit the curb. Get some sound clips of the blow-off valve, and hopefully I can pick up my exhaust crackles. Like, damn, that bit ran straight to stop sign. You guys can hear that or not. See if we can try to get some exhaust sound. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but holy shit. Only sound I wish I could get is like the turbo spool. Like when I'm like revving it, like I wish I could get the spool. I can hear the spools in my intake because I have the AEM short ram intake and all that, but like I can't hear it in the exhaust, which is weird. Get a couple more sound clips here. This is 4th gear. I'm thinking like about this turbo, it spools up so fast. That's like 2200 RPM. Like I said, we'll get a couple more sound clips of the blow off, and then I'm gonna hit this tunnel real quick for you guys. I swear with this tune, I fucking squall tires every time I hit the gas. Every time I get on it, I'll squall a tire. Especially when it's kind of wet and raining. Oh man, this thing will just sit there and spin and spin and spin through like first, second, and third gear. There's a trick I always do sometimes. Like I'll spool it up, let's get back down to 4. But I'll spool it up real good and go like, let's see if I can get it. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'll do it again with the windows down when I get off this main road. But yeah, I'll just like tap the throttle and do it that way, and it'll just make the sound. What the fuck? Man, these people are getting out of control. I don't know what the fuck they just did, honestly. They on some bullshit. Lady behind me, I swear, is like staring into my eyes through my rearview mirror, like what the fuck? See if we can get some of those like burbles that I keep talking about. I don't know if y'all heard them earlier. Usually they only get them. I get them right when I come off throttle for like it'll be like 3 or 4 little burbles. That's it. First and second gear, if I rev it up to probably like 25, 3000 and just let off, it'll just gurgle all the way down. Like, it's crazy. Kind of helps with these buildings right beside me. But now you definitely can't hear it because whatever that is. I'm gonna do it coming up from first gear, second gear, then I'm gonna drop back down to first. Let's see if we can get it. I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but I know definitely we heard the blow off valve. So that was the main point of the video, just to get an idea what the blow-off valve sounds like. And other than that, appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you on the next one. I'll have a couple videos I'm planning on working on this week. Try to get them up by next week. And I got some stuff I'm about to have to do that I have no clue how to do. This is gonna be my first time doing some shit like this. Some stuff I'm planning on doing. I have a lot of stuff I'm planning on doing. Like, I'm not done with this car. Like, I got a couple more performance things I need to do. I want to do some aesthetics. I want to do I've been saying I want to do some wheels. I want to do some wheels. Definitely going to get my roof wrapped. But I'm probably going to do it myself. Doesn't look too complicated. So I'm going to do that myself. I got to get my headlights done. But that's going to be a nice little. That and the wheels is probably going to be the most expensive. And then obviously I want to get it lowered. I have a lowering kit, but it doesn't fit. It come off of it's for a 2011 to 2014 Sonata and 11 to 15 Optima. So can't can't use the lowering springs, so I'm gonna have to get those sold. If anybody's interested in some lowering springs, comment down below. They have probably about 4,000 miles on them. Pretty much new. Like, I can send you videos. Like, I've checked them. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just I have no use for them. So I have them listed. I have them listed price to sell because I have no use for them. There's no point in me keeping them. Interested in some of those? Comment down below. They're True Heart struts and shocks and D2 lowering springs. But like I said, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.